Getting Fortnite Error Code AS-1041. Let's fix it step by step. First, this error usually means connection or login issues. Start simple. Restart your game, console, or PC, then relaunch Fortnite. Sometimes it clears right away. Second, check your internet connection. Run a quick speed test. If it's unstable, restart your router or switch to a wired connection for more stability. Third, verify the Fortnite servers. Go to Epic Games' official status page. If servers are down, the issue isn't on your side. Just wait until they're back online. Fourth, update your Epic Games launcher and Fortnite to the latest version. Outdated clients often trigger the error. Fifth, clear your launcher's web cache. On PC, close the launcher, then delete the web cache folder in your Epic Games data folder. Restart and log back in. Sixth, if the issue persists, log out of all devices connected to your Epic Games account. Then log back in with fresh credentials to sync properly. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall Fortnite or contact Epic Games support for default troubleshooting. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.